Hello everyone, my name is Alisha from Alisha IELTS. Today we are going to discuss IELTS Q card, that is 18 number from the Makkad PDF book, that is describe a time when you had a problem while using computer. इसके अंदर हमें एक ऐसे टाइम के बारे में बताना है जब हमें कंप्यूटर को यूज़ करते टाइम किसी भी तरह की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आई हो, बिकॉज एज वी यूजली नो दैट हम लोग कंप्यूटर को चलाते ही हैं, है ना, नॉर्मली बेसिस पे, लाइक गेम्स खेलने के लिए, ऑनलाइन टिकट्स बुक करने के लिए, मूवीज़ देखने के लिए, या फिर कोई सोशल मीडिया को यूज़ करने के लिए, अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन और असाइनमेंट्स को बनाते टाइम। तो आप इनमें से कोई भी एक सिचुएशन ले सकते हैं कि मुझे कंप्यूटर के रिगार्डिंग ये काम करना था। अब लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट प्रॉब्लम। किसी भी तरह की प्रॉब्लम जो आपको आई हो, यू कैन से अबाउट द शॉर्ट सर्किट, कि आपके कंप्यूटर के अंदर मेन पावर सप्लाई के अंदर शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया जिसकी वजह से आपको कंप्यूटर को यूज़ करने के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम आई हो, या इसके अलावा आप विंडोज़ के बारे में भी बोल सकते हो, या आप अपने वायरस के बारे में बोल सकते हो कि कंप्यूटर के अंदर किसी वायरस का अटैक हो गया हो जिसकी वजह से आपको प्रॉब्लम फेस की। ओके, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स डिस्कस द मेन कंटेंट ऑफ दिस क्यू कार्ड. First of all, let's see the cues of this cue card. First is when this happened, ये चीज़ कब हुई. Second is where this happened, ये चीज़ कहाँ पे हुई. Like we are to talk about the place where we had to confront this problem. And third one is what the problem was, ये problem क्या थी. Like आपको इसके अंदर explain करना है कि आपको किस issue का सामना करना पड़ा. एंड फोर्थ इज एक्सप्लेन हाउ यू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम एट लास्ट, और आपने लास्ट में इस प्रॉब्लम को किस तरीके से सॉल्व किया. यू आर टू टॉक अबाउट द मेथड और द वे दैट यू यूज्ड टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम. Okay, let's discuss. First of all, like you may start as being a tech savvy, I normally rely on computer for my presentation and assignments. Here I would like to talk about a time when I confronted an issue while using the computer. Actually, I vividly remember the time a couple of months ago when I had to submit my assignment within a period of approximately 1 week. Initially, I was quite lethargic because I thought that I had plenty of time to complete my assignment. However, when I was about to start collecting enough resources and data for completing my assignments, there was a sudden blast in the power supply and even power circuit. I got completely blank at that time and got perplexed what to do next, because at that time there was a mixed feeling of anger and regret, as I thought if I had not procrastinated my assignment then I would not have to worry so much. However, without wasting time, I immediately rushed to the technician store situated at a stone throw away from my home. Unfortunately, it was Sunday and the store was closed. Afterwards, I called to the technician and requested him to open the store because I explained the situation to him that I have to submit an important assignment on proper time. After requesting a lot, the technician got convinced to open the store. Within 2 hours, my PC got repaired and I had a sigh of relief. Apart from this, the technician told me to install resistor on PC in order to avoid that similar type of short circuit again in the future. The whole repairing costed me around 7,000 rupees, and even I took a great lesson from that incident that we should not procrastinate the things. And afterwards, I immediately rushed to my home and I won midnight oil to complete my assignment before deadline. Therefore, it is advised not to procrastinate the things and even completely relying on technological gadgets, because these devices can break down anytime. So, this was the time when I confronted issue while operating the computer. Thank you. I hope you will like my content, and please don't forget to follow, share and subscribe. Thank you.